Humboldt County High School. I'm Dominic.
And I'm Emily.
And you're watching WHKU News.
Teachers, please let your students know that there are only 7 seats remaining on the bus to CIAA. If they are interested, first paid, first served. Payments have been extended to February 4th.
If anyone is interested in men's tennis, please sign up with Coach James in Guidance. Summer Ventures is recruiting students for their free residential summer program, which targets students who want to explore topics in science, technology, medicine, engineering, or mathematics. If you would like more information, please see Annette Jones or your counselor in the guidance office.
Also, teachers, if you have students whom you would feel make excellent candidates, please refer them to their guidance counselor.
Now over to Anthony with the new installment.
Hi, I'm Anthony, and this semester we're going to be bringing you a new installment from Mr. Covington to get you ready for the ACT. Each day we're going to be asking you 3 questions, 1 English, 1 science, and 1 math. It is to prepare you for the ACT. Bring your answers to Mr. Covington so you can receive your prize, only if you get it correct.
Good luck you guys on those questions. Hope you guys get it right. That's going to be it today for today's news. Once again, I'm Dominic.
And I'm Emily.
And this is WHK News.